You've probably heard hundreds of commercials offering to teach you how to invest in real estate. But how many of these companies can help you learn to be a successful real estate investor? Let's walk through how to calculate fair market value and after repair value using simple numbers, based on a subject property asking $255,000. Step 1. Fair market value. Pull 3-5 comparable homes sold in the last 3-6 months within a 1-mile radius, all the same size and condition. Add their sale prices and divide by the number of properties. If that works out to an average of 170 per square foot, and your home is 1,500 square feet, then 171,500 255,000 is your fair market value. Step 2. ARV. You purchase for $225,000 and invest $30,000 in repairs. That gives you an after repair value of $255,000. Apply the 70 rule. 255K 70 178,500. Subtract repair costs, 178,530K 148,500, your max offer. Step 3, who gets paid? If the seller accepts 210K, and the wholesaler tax on 15K, the cash buyer pays 225K. Seller nets 210K, wholesaler earns 15K, and the after repair repairs the buyer still profits from and closing costs. That's how smart investors build win-win deals.